According to the Statistic Brain Research Institute, the average American household spends around $600 per year on cleaning supplies. Skip those chemically charged fees and make your own disinfectants. Here are 5 inexpensive DIY cleaning solutions.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by GEICO.
Make your windows sparkle with just 4 ingredients. Mix water, white vinegar, rubbing alcohol, and peppermint essential oil in a spray bottle. One combo gives you about 10 bottles worth of window cleaner, costing only $11. Hardwood floor cleaner has a $6 price tag at most stores. Skip that fee by blending white vinegar, water, and lemon essential oil into a bucket. You'll make about 6 to 8 servings for only $10. A nightly sink scrub washes away grime from dirty dishes. Create your own by mixing baking soda, clove and lemon essential oil, Dr. Bronner's Castile soap, and a few drops of water. This simple DIY gives you almost 3 separate servings for $29. Save the environment and your wallet, one solution at a time.
Coinage. Life well spent. Presented by GEICO.